Good midday, YouTube, family, friends, subscribers. Actually doing a multi-video upload on this one, but I wanted to do a quick little thing on this truck before I start closing it back up, just to show you a couple things. Now, this is an 04 Chevy Silverado, but this will apply on any vehicle that runs combustion oil and gas. It don't matter if it's hybrid, if it runs gas and has combustion, this is an issue. You see the color here? That is carbon buildup. These are coolant ports. This is some of the seldom overlooked maintenance items on vehicles. If you look at your handbook, it will tell you every so many miles to change your coolant, change your brake fluid. And brake fluid I'm not really so concerned with, but coolant, yes, because you get this kind of deposit. Coolant temperature sensor on this truck's right down, well, right down there. I got to do one on it later anyway, but it plays a more significant role in your fuel economy and horsepower than you can imagine, just like the air temperature intake sensor, intake air temperature sensor. Pardon the scruffiness here. I don't know if I've got sinuses going or what, but your computer, ECM, PCM, whatever your vehicle's running, it sets your fuel trim and your air to fuel ratio based off multiple different things. Everything from the O2 sensor to the mass airflow sensor to air temperature to coolant temperature. And when one of these sensors ain't acting right and it's giving that computer a false reading, that computer's either dumping too much fuel or not enough fuel. So then you have a rich or a lean condition. Lean conditions aren't as serious, but they can still damage the engine. However, that rich condition will absolutely destroy an engine. Another quick note, all vehicles have these, period. Here on the front, this is your AC condenser, radiator, transmission coolant temperatures. See all this in here in the radiators? These are just like HVAC coils, especially here on the radiator. You need to wash these out every now and then, or you'll see your air conditioning inside the vehicle perform better. Coolant temperature stays down, and a lot of people think they have a transmission issue when all it really is it's not cooling. And that's a leading cause of that. Last quick tip on this video. It looks different on most vehicles, but it all has the same function. This is the PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation. This relieves excess pressure created through combustion, and it vents it back through your valve covers. This is always going to be somewhere located in or around the valve covers, and puts it back in the intake, sends it back through there to be recombusted. Check them every now and then. It's real easy to tell throughout. Can you hear this? That means that one's good. If it rattles, it's good. If it don't rattle, it's bad. But stay tuned. There's about 3 more videos on this thing coming. And again, most of the ones I'm doing, it will apply to multiple vehicles. Thank you. God bless. Have a great day.